my voice since the vlog has started, and that's because your girl is currently looking like a hot mess. So later on, when I look a little bit more approachable, y'all will see me. So today we went shopping, went to the nail shop. So I'm gonna give you a little rundown of what we got in the shopping, right? So you know, so it's Easter and everything needs to be cooked tomorrow because there's no you can't light no stove. You cannot light no stove on Friday. So we got prawns, yeah. We got some tilapia fish. We got carrot fish and snapper fish in that bag. And then this is the general shopping. So we have Actimel because it's good for you. Okay, it is for the immune system. And your girl got her nails did. Turn up. Your girl's nail is looking fabulous. Like, talk to me nice. We get water packers. We get 2 hard dough breads. Yeah. We have oats because we're a family of oats, and we look after little Priya and she loves her porridge. Yes, baby. Okay, 1 second. Mommy loves her chewing gums, so we got some chewing gums. This is for Priya. So we got Priya. She's been with us for a couple of days now, and the one we bought already is already finished. So we basically stocked up. Then Mommy bought me this, you know, pineapple for the pom pom. No, but seriously, it's so cute that I couldn't let it pass. Somebody just asked, so I begged Madam. I said, Mommy, can I get this, please? I begged Mommy, so yeah, she got me this. Then Mum's making cornmeal pudding. So that's the cornmeal. She got vanilla essence. I think, no, this is almond. And then she got vanilla essence. And then she got these. It's 4 for the price of 3. So she got Malibu pina colada. She got Malibu watermelon lemonade. Absolutely amazing. Another pina colada. And then she got the Copperberg rum and cola. Yeah. Then this house is addicted to iron brew. Don't ask me why. So I got 2 iron brews. A Lucozade, this was £2. And then I got some apple juice from Morrison's. It is Morrison branded. It tastes absolutely amazing. I got the bigger onions because obviously this is for the escabeche fish. Boy, y'all nail look nice. Come, I'm not videoing you. Woo! And then this is for, obviously this is for Easter. Yeah, baby? Good girl, Mama Jules did it for you. Wonderful. We got spice. Yeah, baby? Okay, you have to wait, baby. Where's my package? Yeah. Then we got spice bun. So we got 2 spice bun. Yeah. Then we have the individual spice bun. National, that was 59p each. The spice bun was £3.49. Then you know your girl loves her cherry berries, so I got cherry berries. Huh? You want one? Okay, Mom stole my cherry berry. More spice bun. And that's it. So that's all the shopping we did today. I'm gonna come back because I have a little date night with Babe. Not a little date night. I have a date night with my man, Osborne. We're going to watch The Lost City. So I'm gonna get glammed up for that. So then, you know, y'all will see me then. But for now, girl is looking a bit rough. So I can't come find camera for now. So I will see you soon. Love on her. Big up on yourself. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Double chin. Hi guys. That's what I meant. Don't be cheeky, you know. Movie wasn't good. Grab a what?
Come on, John, you want it?
No.
You got a bucket?
Never.
You got a bucket?
No, I'm not. I'm gonna tell them that you did it. Now it's time to walk down these dreadful stairs. I don't know why they don't just leave the what do you call it? Leave the escalators on.
There's no one working here, that's the whole point. So whatever you destroy is with me.
It's just a bit annoying that you have to
It's a bit annoying.
walk down these bloody stairs.
Bloody stairs, you know?
It's the other way. You can't go through that way. You gotta go this way, the back door. You're welcome. We're literally locked in the cinema, guys. We're locked in! Thank you. And this is that's Nando's, Macaday's. What time is it then?
Bad. I feel like
It must be quite late.
you remember Friday, everything was open. I want to go and feel hours. A Thursday morning, a bad Thursday morning, nothing. I will lock up.
Everywhere's closed. That's a supermarket over there. Morrison's, the best supermarket in Britain. Everywhere's closed. It's a bit mad. No, even McDonald's is closed, you know. So even if you want to grab a cheeky munch, you can't.
It's fire.
Fire.
Pagil mucha del.
Fire.
Fire. Why? Once more. So I found this one, guys, late night, just stranded on the road, innit? I was like, hey, listen, you look hungry, innit? Let me take you out for a munch. She was like, yeah. Took her to cinema. I beat that. She eat that. And yeah, now she's taking me home, innit? So we see how the night plays out. Found me a sweet one.
Oh my friend.
People gotta live. People.
If you eat between 10 a.m. to midnight,
Yes.
please stop. Look, 24-hour lesson.
Okay, so you know, this is my favorite time to have food, you know. I don't know why it is, but this is my favorite time to have a munch. I could go for a full meal right now. Like a full meal. Nowhere's open. If I was in yard, guess what we could get? Chester's chicken from petrol station.
In Africa, you come from.
24, innit? Late night. Yeah.
No restaurant, but I think where you sell food.
Just like some random guy just like cooking something, innit?
Ooh, what
Some
car is
jerk chicken on the
that?
roadside.
Hello, beautiful.
Some soup. Oh my.
Fish, soup.
I hear them hungry.
Some nice fish. Oh my lord. Forget about it. Forget I said anything, boss.
Shukuya.
I'm getting hungry right
Hi. Did you miss me? Auntie went to cinema. What's that? Is this Priya? Princess Priya? Auntie baby?
Yeah.
Auntie favorite baby. Auntie baby. Are you auntie's baby? Love you.
Love you.
Oh. Priya. Auntie baby. So I'm home now.
My dada.
Chilling with my babes. That's her dodo. Look at belly. Boy.
I take a big belly.
We got big bellies.
I got cookie and Chris.
Cookies and crisps. You
Yeah.
like cookies and crisps, don't you?
Yeah.
Girl, I won't be eating your hair. I won't be eating your hair, girl. I want to be eating your hair. Auntie don't want to be eating your hair. Hubby and Mummy's in the kitchen. Hubby's looking about food. Mummy's cooking fish. No, she's seasoning the fish actually. And this is my best friend. Yeah. Auntie's best friend.
Yeah.
Yeah. And her dodo. And dodo.
Yeah.